Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to cancel your Xfinity channel subscription. Okay, so first things first, you want to log into Xfinity.com and go to the entertainment management page on the website. And from this page, you want to click remove on the applicable stream saver title. Okay, and you can also go ahead and click what's included on the applicable, stream saver serve package, and then go ahead and click on remove to remove your stream saver package. So right here you'll see at the bottom right you are able to click on remove, where after this you'll return to the entertainment management page. You'll now see that the applicable stream saver is removed from your card, and you can always add it back anytime by clicking on the plus add icon. And it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this guide provided value to you, and if it did, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you guys in the next one.